everybody, today I'm reviewing this book that my friend has because this is a very cool book because he got this at his school library but from the book fair.
I get to keep it.
Yeah. So this is his. What's cool about this book, because if it was an ordinary book, I wouldn't be recording it because
it's too cool.
It's cool, guys. You know what this thing does? Look at this.
Look, what? I'm gonna show you a page right now, man.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Look. Look. Wait. There's like a zebra, and then we could make a zebra with actually this. We just open that, then we could make a zebra.
Well,
we already made this one, but it broke because
somebody stood on it.
It's paper craft, and right now we are making a big thing. This actually hurts.
What's up, everybody? Hi.
Jolie's in the restroom.
Get it away. So, guys, I'm gonna be making a zebra today. Look at this, guys. Look, it has no feet. One day.
Look, it's just like a head and stuff right here. I don't know if you guys could see that line.
Look at this, guys. So I'm gonna get I'm gonna get everything out. It's gonna be a mess on my book right now. So,
you broke it.
Yeah, there.
We need more sun because this is too a little bit.
I'm gonna make this. Let's go, guys.
Let's go. Yuli! Yuli!
7 hours later.
Yuli! Hurry! I'm not looking at you.
Oh, you have to go?
Yeah, I need to go restroom. She's trying. Yeah. I'm gonna go restroom. Okay, so.
Hey, you farted. Ew.
No, I didn't. So I'm gonna be recording Isaac right here.
I'm making a video.
So talk to the camera for a while.
So I'm gonna be making.
Wait, you need to record. Here.
I'm gonna be making a zebra, guys. How funny is that? It's not that funny, huh? It's a pretty cool book. It's Safaria.
She wants to look at the animals.
No, but I'm making the craft.
Let her look at animals, or I'm gonna.
That's Julie. That's
Don't
Makia.
put that on me on Facebook, or you're
We're
gonna
not.
take that off.
Come on, Julie. You could come watch. You wanna see it? Look at that. Guys, I'm gonna be. Oh, hey Josh. You just came from the restroom.
Yeah. Need to buckle my buckle. So So Yuli's here with us. Say hi to the camera, Yuli. Yuli, say hi.
I'm busy. I'm busy, guys. I'm the one busy. She's just upset because I scared her.
Oh.
Who wants Doritos? Yeah, I'm so tired right now.
I know. It's from school, on the work. Makes us tired. I don't even feel like making a video, but I need to for you guys.
If you guys give us 1,010 likes, I'll do this over again.
It's never gonna happen.
Yeah, we'll watch.
It's never gonna happen. He said, if you guys give us 10,000 likes, I'll do this all over again. It's never gonna happen. Okay, I need to go to the restroom again. Okay, guys. So if you guys get me up to about 10 likes, we might do a part 2 of making everything, and then of making everything of this, and then we'll do it. Part 2 on. No, not. He's making the zebra right now. He lost his leg. Can I eat it?
No.
Okay, I'll eat it.
It's a chicken bone. That is a chicken bone.
Good! Tastes like chicken.
It's chicken bone.
It
Guys.
tastes like chicken.
Does it look like I want to be awake right now?
Look at that shirt. Look at those hands. Dude, stop.
Guys, I feel like killing you.
Dude, you're like looking at the camera, and it was super zoomed in. We could see your face.
Dang, guys.
Okay, guys. So this was
Safaria.
Survivor Life.
Safaria.
It's
It's a Safaria.
So I hope you guys liked this video. Remember, guys, get me to 10 likes. So please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Subscribe if you're new. Bye.
Bye.